Welcome to your guided meditation journey. In just 2 minutes, you will experience a tranquil space where you can connect with your inner self. Set a positive intention for your practice, focusing on inviting peace and calm into your mind, allowing thoughts to settle. To begin, find a position that feels most comfortable for you, whether sitting or lying down. It's important that your body is fully supported, allowing you to release any built-up tension and stress. Take a moment to relax and prepare yourself for this peaceful journey. Now, shift your focus to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your lungs to expand fully. Hold that breath momentarily before gently exhaling through your mouth. With each exhale, imagine releasing stress and tension, fostering a sense of relaxation and clarity in your mind. As you breathe, begin to visualize a warm, soothing light surrounding you. This light represents tranquility and comfort. Allow it to envelop your thoughts, creating a safe space where worries dissipate. Embrace this warmth, as it enhances your sense of peace and nurtures your inner calm. As thoughts arise during your meditation, practice acknowledging them without judgment. Visualize these thoughts as clouds that drift by. Instead of clinging to them, gently redirect your focus back to your breath. This mindful approach allows you to cultivate awareness while maintaining your state of calm. Take a moment to embrace the peace and stillness that resides within you. Allow yourself to connect deeply with this present moment, recognizing it as a safe and nurturing space. This is your time for reflection, healing, and complete relaxation. Let go and simply be. As we conclude this meditation, take a final deep breath in and exhale slowly, anchoring your awareness back to the present. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, reawakening your body. When you feel ready, open your eyes, embracing a sense of refreshment and newfound clarity.